Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be discussing, this isn't a video really with any guide or direction to it, I'm just discussing why I think sneaker investments are just like stocks, and I don't think it's anything that's really too not obvious to say the least. I feel like most people can see the comparison of sneaker investing and real stock investing, but today I'm just going to be kind of making my comparisons and discussing why maybe this be like the good stepping stone to start out with before real investing, and also why sneaker investing may actually be an easier way of investing, another form of investing coming soon in the future that I think will actually be much bigger than it is right now. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. You want more content like this, feel free to go ahead, subscribe and like down below. This is just a discussion, but you already know I do plenty of like sneaker investment videos where I show good shoes that are like worth holding, which I'm actually showing one in this video, which I've already discussed plenty of times before, so you should know this one is a hold. At least I'm very confident in it. I got a pair of it. So again, goal in this video, I think I already said it's like 250 likes, so if you could hit that, that'd be great, but if not, it's not the end of the world. And yeah, also down in the description, Instagrams and Discord, so if you want to go check my socials and all that there, then that'd be cool. But I really don't want to make this intro too long. I know it probably already is, but I'll get showing you all this investment and also get showing you all why sneaker investing is becoming like stock investing a little bit. Let's go. So I guess the first and probably the most basic comparison I can make of sneaker investing to stock investing would be how like one pair of shoes is like one share, for example. So let's say, I got this one pair. As you guys can tell, I did say I was going to buy a pair of these, and as I am a man of my word, I did end up going and purchasing a pair in size 6Y, which is a grade school size, and I have a lot of faith in these in grade school sizing, and that size 6Y, 7Y, always love holding those grade school ones. So I got a pair of the metallic gold Jordan 1s, and as I've mentioned many times, this one is definitely an excellent hold for the future. I think by summertime, maybe even not by summertime, but I'm thinking just because it's a patent leather Jordan 1, it is due to go up in some time. And I know some people have been saying they've been holding this one for a few months and it hasn't gone up, but again, as I would say with regular stock investing, long-term investments that you believe in, that you think are going to go up, and with shoe investments, patience is the key. So if you don't have patience and you can't do this, that's just what I'm gonna say. Like if you're not willing to hold something for 6 months or 12 months, then sneaker investing is not really something that you should go into, in my personal opinion, because patience is really the key to like making money off these investments. I used to have no investments, but now I got like 15 pairs, which isn't crazy, but at least it's something to show you. I had 0 pairs, now I got 15. So, and they're worth around, this isn't a flex either, I know some people probably got hundreds of $1,000s worth of shoe, or 50,000, 20,000 more than me. But in my investments, I think I'm rounded up in around 7K worth of, sneaker investments, so almost $7,000 worth of just shoes that I'll be able to sell once I get back to college, which is pretty cool, starting from 0. So I've been doing the sneaker investing thing, and I'm kind of getting the guide and understanding with it. But back to my comparison, the first thing I can compare about sneakers to actual shoe investments, or not shoe investments, but real investments that you actually would do on an app like Robinhood. As you guys have heard about the recent controversy with cryptocurrencies, not cryptocurrencies. I mean, I know there was one with cryptocurrencies, but and people not wanting to accept that, but also the recent ones with like GME, AMC, like all those different stocks that like got restricted, which I would say, now there's an open case for it. So Robinhood completely deserves that, restricting people's free trade just to protect billionaire hedge fund investors that are butthurt because they can't control everything. I think that's a little bit greedy, and you know what, I'm definitely like, Robinhood, screw you. But aside from that, my first comparison again is how one shoe is like one share. So I got one shoe, one pair of the metallic gold Jordan 1, so that would be like owning one share of like a stock per se. But shoes are kind of an easier one to really, I don't know what's going on there, but shoes are kind of, I would say, an easier way to like keep track as like a starter, like beginning investments, because I know stocks, it can be confusing because you may only own like part of a share through Robinhood, or own like 1.7 something shares, like some random thing. But with shoes, it's just like, it's one is one pair, 2 is 2 shares, like that kind of thing, so it's really easy to keep track of. And shoes, as you all know, thanks to StockX, they've like now have like charts and investment charts. Like I'll pop like some of those up. So like, how about I just show you all the chart for this one right now, so you can see it's not really had too much progress yet, but again, it's at that point where it's about to start going up, in my opinion, fairly soon. And I mean, again, patent leather, so it's like it is going to go up, whether it takes long or not. I'm just going to wait until it does, so I can just wait until I make money. I mean, that just is kind of like the easiest thing I see to it. But aside from that, that's really how sneaker investing would work, and that's how I look at it, at least. One pair is one share. I mean, I really don't feel like it's anything more complicated than that. But again, my second comparison to it also was charts. So now these sneakers are having charts to track how much they go up weekly and daily, so you can really check daily to see, due to the sales on the apps like StockX, you can see how much a shoe is going up or going down, which is pretty cool. So it's just, shoes are becoming more and more like investing. You have apps that are now even like including features like you're going to be able to start buying partial shares of like certain shoes and stuff. Like there's and StockX is now worth like 4 billion too. So just hitting you off a little discussion. I mean, the sneaker investing period is here. Like this is going to be a future. I'm really seeing a lot more coming with people just buying shoes. I feel like in the future it's going to be a much more of a business with investing in shoes and just kind of holding them over time and doing your thing. I mean, sneaker investing has been around forever, and I know that it's been around, you know, people have been buying and holding stuff forever, you know, waiting until it goes up. That's not anything new. It's not a new concept, but I see this concept of shoe investing becoming something a lot bigger than we see. Maybe like it'll be an app or something for it in the future, like some crazy stuff like that. But that's what I'm thinking. That's my comparison to shoes and stocks, at least. You know, a shoe is a share. You buy multiple pairs. It's like buying multiple shares. You wait till they go up. Patience is the key with shoe investing or, you know, stock investing. I don't know much about stock investing, in my honest opinion. I've done it before. I know it's going pretty crazy right now, so, you know, I'm probably going to hop on the little bandwagon wave, but, you know, I'm actually going to try and do some research, you know, figure out, aside from the AMC, GME, all that stuff, I'm going to try and find some places, you know, that I can really invest my money in, and maybe I'll start making investment videos. So let me know if that's what you guys want here, because I can definitely bring those kinds of videos on the channel. But just throwing out a little freebie, the shoes a hold, I've mentioned that, and yeah, with the charts, and being able to see how much shoes go weekly, the share concept that I kind of mentioned, and just with the idea of, you know, sneaker investing, you wait until they go up. Patience is key. Stocks, same thing. That's my comparison of shoes and stocks. So are shoes like stocks? My answer to this, yes, 100%. And I think actually, if you're confused with real investing in the real world like me, then you should probably just start out with investing in shoes first, because it will help you understand it much better. And I actually kind of understand the basics. I understand sneaker investing very well now. I make videos on it, you know, because your boy understands what goes up and goes down. So I might just stick with the shoe game and just keep killing the investing here. Because shoot, if everybody's going to be focused on stocks, let me go with the sleepers. But that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to roll the outro. I also have a feeling that stocks are about to get regulated much more heavily soon, just because of this whole Robinhood thing, but that could just be me chirping again. I don't really know too much about stocks, honestly. I do understand the basic concepts, but mainly understand the shoe investing, and that's why I'm in it more. But if you guys want more content like this, just basic discussions where I just kind of talk, you know, just make comparisons. I just want to make a video today and really talk with y'all, because I haven't done a discussion video like this in forever. So if you kind of enjoyed this, you know, you have an opinion on it, drop a comment. I'd love to hear it. If you want more content, again, I think I already said subscribe and like. I mean, I said it at the intro, but if I haven't said it here, then go ahead. Goal's 250 likes, and I'd appreciate it if you could hit that, but it's not the end of the world if we don't. Again, I just thank you all for your constant support that you always show on the channel here. I'm going to keep working hard and putting out good content and videos for you all. And also, I'll just say this really quick, down in the description, Instagram's, Discord. So if you want to go check this out, then feel free. They'll be down there. You can give me a follow, and I'd appreciate it. So let me know down below maybe some shoes you're holding, and your opinion on this discussion. If you think sneaker investing is becoming more and more like stocks every day, or if you think they're already kind of slightly comparable to stocks, and at least the idea that they work. But that's all I got to say right there. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you have a good day. Go out there and do something fun. Don't sit back. If you're sitting back, just, you know, having a good day, you know, I get that, but, you know, you living life, man. You're blessed. Go do something. Now I'm just talking crazy, but I'm out. Maybe I'm not. Actually, go do something. Have fun. Peace.